See, what is a module in Python? Module is nothing but, right, a source file which contains normal statements. Normal statements means what? You can write a simple statements like this. Variables. You can define the functions. You can define the classes. You can define the classes. Here it is, we need to specify one name. Here it is, suppose one.py. This is called one module. Then this module you can reuse in another program. Suppose this is another one, just giving the name is a 2.py. Here you can print the a value, you can print the b value, you can call fun, and you can use class functionality also. But only one point you need to understand: by importing this module, right? Here it is a import, right? Or from keywords are there. Using these keywords, we can import the modules and we can reuse the functionality of one module into another program, or we can say another module. Simply, module is a source file which contains the normal statements, functions, classes, right? The modules can be reused in other programs in Python application development.